in to get the second layer well ahead of
After further review, I do believe that maybe this was pressure treated lumber that was put in possibly green. It's too wet. Good on you for thinking pressure treat was the right stuff, but the whole fiberglass, that sticky don't hold